Yo, what's up, everybody? Okay, the tank from the 1100. Hope y'all kind of see that. She has a lot of rust inside. I'm gonna try to do electrolysis. At least I'm gonna try it. I have sacrificial bolt. Taped this plastic. Got the positive onto it. On the tank, I got the ground. I'm gonna try to use my little charger. If this don't work, then I'll make something else. I'm gonna use baking soda and water is what I'm gonna use. I've already put something in there, but I gotta fill it up more because I need to get all the way up. So let me get that going, and then we'll double check to see if we got everything working. Okay, so here's what I did. Got the positive on the bolt, negative on the tank. Got it inside there. Make sure that it's not touching any metal with the positive because that would ground it out. Have it plugged up. As I'm trying to do this electrolysis. I never did electrolysis. I did vinegar. So you going through this just like me, if you so. But this is the basic principle. I say, well, I'll try this, and if this don't work, then I'll go back to some more vinegar, because the vinegar did eat some out. I put some vinegar in there already, and it ate some out. And as I say, that's the only thing I've ever tried in any of these tanks. Cause I've never had one as bad as this one, so that's why I want to try this. And what I'm gonna do is because I should have showed you the inside of the tank ahead of time, but you can kind of see all that rust on the outside of the tank. See, it was a lot, and as you can see right there on the ground, there was a lot of rust, and that was just from the vinegar, Well, that was the part on the ground is what I shook out after I poured out as much vinegar as I could as I was shaking the tank. So I'm gonna let this roll, and I'll shake back in a few hours, maybe 3-4 hours. Give it a chance to do something, because I may have to switch from that there to one of the bigger chargers. I got 2 other chargers over here. I probably have to end up switching to one of those. So I'm gonna let that go, and hopefully that'll do something for me. I won't have to buy a tank. Man, them tanks was high, and I am not spending $300 for that gas tank. I could get a whole nother scrap bike for that. Okay, so let me show y'all real quick. Got my charger on it. Got it on 10 amps. Grounded it off. I had to sand that a little bit. Then on this one, you can kind of see. Hopefully y'all kind of see it starting to bubble in there. That shows you that it's starting to work. So what I'll do is, and I did fill it up pretty good because I have rust all around the neck of it. So what I'll do is I'll basically come back maybe in about an hour. I had to, from when I first set up, it's been maybe 4 hours because I had to leave, so I decided to unplug everything. So, yeah, I'm gonna let that run for an hour, and I can bring y'all back and show y'all what it's looking like. Okay, so this is gonna be the final. What we get here is what we get. I guess let's check it out. See what we get, because like I said, it's gonna be the final. Let's see this. And you can see on the inside there.
In a few, I'm gonna pull that out and we'll be able to look all the way on the inside of it. This is the next day I let it go, the whole night. So that's what I'm gonna raise the garage and we'll dump some of that out so you can look on the inside.